Mudras are powerful tool for increasing the self-confidence and giving up the clarity for our purposeful life. Self-confidence is very important, isn't it? Because to lead our life true full self today is very important. When we practice certain mudra actually helps in boosting up the self-confidence. I can say in today's video we are going to learn one of the mudra for self-confidence. Namaste, welcome to Hamsa Yoga. This is me Gangothri Yogin. Welcome back to another mudra episode. In today's video we are going to learn a mudra for self-confidence. The name of this mudra is nothing but Vajra Mudra. Vajra means a diamond. How the diamond shines, how the diamond give a radiance surrounded, a same way by practicing of this mudra which will gives you the same light, energy in our body. When we look at the diamond, how it cuts everything, same way by practicing of this mudra helps in cutting up your doubt, negativity, your low self-confidence. By practicing of this mudra helps in boosting up your self-confidence. You feel more energetic while doing this mudra. Vajra Mudra is a core quality of self-empowerment. When we look at this mudra, it actually shapes like a diamond, so it's named as a Vajra Mudra. By practicing of this mudra, awaken the breath and the energy in the solar area of our body by boosting us more energy into our body. And this mudra will help in boosting up your third chakra called as Manipura chakra. Here Manipura, the word Manipura means nothing but the city of gems. Diamond is also one of the beautiful gems, isn't it? Let's check out how to practice this Vajra Mudra. It's very simple and very easy, but which has a more tremendous benefits by practicing of this mudra. You need to do this mudra with the both hands. You need to curve your little and the ring finger and touch your index thumb finger like this and touch your middle finger each other. This is how you need to do the Vajra Mudra. You need to place just next to your in front of the chest and closing the eyes, just focus to the breath, and you can include this mudra during your meditation practice too. As we are practicing this mudra with the both hands, so it's called as Samyukta Asta Mudra. Let us check out how long we should practice this mudra. Near to 10 to 15 minutes every day of practice, which actually works for you to boosting up your self-confidence, reducing the doubt and negativity. The benefits by performing this mudra. This mudra actually helps in boosting up the fire element. As the fire element increase in our body, it's called nothing but it's called as Agni, which is help for our digestion. And also this mudra boost up your or balance your third chakra in the body. It's called Manipura chakra. So it's connected for your digestion, the Agni Tattva, balancing of your Agni Tattva, or even boosting up your Manipura chakra. Awaken the inner diamond and gives a clarity and life purpose. We feel center for sure. Supports the unlifted of all the one unique talents and the availability. This mudra activate and balance the fire element, helping you to glow in the inner light, feel the confidence in your center, realizing vision of your life, and sparking the radiance which will help in centering yourself with more confidence. This mudra, one of the best mudra people who are suffering from depression, because which will helps in uplifting your movement of the energy in your body, so you feel more positive, which will keeps away the negativity, which will keeps away the depression. So if you want to boost your self confidence, then practice this mudra. That's it. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and I'll be back with another video. Till then, let's practice yoga, let's practice yoga mudras, let's be happy in our life. Bye bye. Take care. Namaste.